Hello guys, welcome back. This is Take Airdrop. I'm glad you joined. In this video guys, I'll be showing you how you can participate on Pop Airdrop. The airdrop is ongoing. You don't need to miss out this particular airdrop. This airdrop has raised 100 million US dollars already, so we are going to end big when the airdrop finally goes live. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description of this video. Let's get started. But remember, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to always get information as I drop them. Once you click on the link, you will see the link will redirect you to my Telegram. This is my Telegram page. Over here, you'll be able to copy this link. Just highlight and copy the particular link. We are going to be using Mrs. Browser to perform this task. So when you open Mrs. Browser, you paste the link over here. You can see where to paste the link. Once you paste the link, go ahead and load the site. So from here, we'll get started. We are waiting for it to load. Now, this is how it looks like once you open the link. Dreamer quests, complete tasks to end pod. So if you log in with your Twitter, which is X, you can start earning with it. By connecting your Twitter, you'll be able to log in. Number one here, sign up, connect your Twitter to start earning points. Number two, engage and share and earn. So you share while engaging. Number three, claim points reward. Number three here, you're going to be claiming point reward. First, let's start by connecting our X. Click on this over here. You'll be able to connect your X. It's now processing to connect. Allow it to load. Network delays, you allow it to load. Now go ahead and authorize the app to access your X. If you don't have X, you need to create one. Now, while waiting for it to authorize, I will be able to do the whole task. You can see it loading. Once it completes, I will be able to perform all the tasks and you will see how my points will increase. Okay guys, now I just connected my Twitter. You can see referral successfully created and I got a reward of 300 points for creating an account. You can see I got 300 points and there is other points to do here. These ones are the tasks you are going to do on X. The first one is follow us on X. You get up to 50 points. This one, connect your tweet. Comment on our tweets, you get 20 points. This one, retweets, you get 30 points. Like our tweet, you get 10 points. This one, Discord, you get 70 points. And this one is Telegram channel, you get 50 points. First, let's start with this Telegram channel. Once you click on it, it will ask you to be the quest. You click on the quest, it will now redirect you to Telegram. This is Telegram now. I can join. They have over 80,000 members already. Click on verify. Once you join, if you click on verify, you'll be able to receive the points. This is how you will be doing the whole task step by step. So now you see task completed. I just completed the task. This other one is joining on Discord. I will click on this and join Discord. You can see it's loading. Okay, now I'm going to pass this place so I'll be able to join. They're saying the invitation link is incorrect, but let me click on learning other area. From here, I will be able to join. Okay, you see where I'm joining now. So I'm to verify from here. So I'm going to tap here to verify. Okay, I'm inside here now. I'll go back to the site. So I can try to verify now. I've joined the Discord. If I verify successfully, okay, it's not completed. It's giving a little bit issue. I will come back for it. I will do the one that allow me to do it right now, then come back for it. Without wasting much time, I will proceed to others that will allow me to perform more tasks and end. Now this is X. I'm going to follow them, and once I follow them, I will be able to earn more points. Okay, I just follow them now guys. I will go back and verify. After this, I'll proceed in showing you other things to do. You can take your time to do all the tasks. Okay, I just completed the whole tasks. You see some of the tasks I completed. These ones I will go back for it. Now click on dashboard. Once you click on dashboard, you will be able to see all things you need to know. Okay, here is where you can get your link to invite your friends, and this is your code. You're going to earn 300 points once anyone joins using your link. Total points I've gathered so far is 580 points for doing some of the tasks. There is a daily spin which you need to be coming every single day to spin. So here now you can earn 100 points, 50 points, even more. Now click on spin. It's going to spin and give me exact amount I earn right now. Okay, I got 50 points for spinning. So I'm going to spend in the next 9 hours. So this is quest where you get all the quests. If you come down here, you get all the quests. You can see I have so many quests here. I will take time to complete all these quests, and once I complete all of them, I will be able to earn as much as possible. There is also wallet connect. First, let's try connecting our wallet. Add your wallet. So they are going to ask us to add wallet. Okay, this is MetaMask we are going to be adding, but this fails now. Maybe they will be able to verify why it's failing. But as the airdrop is just new, we can go ahead and keep on doing other tasks. This one, you are going to add your email. So just put your email address just like here, and you click on verify. Okay, let me first send this email from here. Okay, I now added my email. I can verify it now. Okay, you see tasks completed, all the tasks completed. I've done it. This is all you need to be doing to complete all the tasks, and you will be able to earn more points if you complete all the tasks. Other things to do here is boost. You can boost their posts on social media, like you post it on X, you get time 2 boosts, you get 70 points. So all these are the things that will help you to earn more points. Coming back to home page, you'll see that I've done some of the tasks and I'll continue doing them. I have 680 points already. So go ahead, copy your link from here and invite your friends. Click on this to invite friends, and you will be able to earn more points. If you have any other question, try and drop your comment at the comment section. I will gladly answer you. This is the larger board. You see people on top of the light board. You can see them right here. Now these are the people on top. So you go ahead and start performing tasks so you can also win a position on the light board. If you have any other question, please drop comment at the comment section. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Remember, you can connect wallet and do other things. Like here, this is where you will be connecting your wallet. Either you use MetaMask or Coinbase. So I may likely use my OKS. I use the same wallet to do them, both OKS and MetaMask. I use the same wallet, so I can just unlock my wallet and connect. You know, sometimes if you do not connect to the wallet on time, you may miss out during the snapshot. So don't take any chance. Go ahead and connect your wallet as well. So I'm just connecting the wallet. You can see I'm connecting my wallet. I'm giving it a little time to load completely. Then I'll proceed. You see wallet is connected. I just connected the wallet. I will just go back. You see my wallet is connected. I've just connected it. Let me confirm it again. I've connected the wallet. You see wallet is connected successfully. So that is all you should do. You can now see it's connected. Later I'll go ahead and connect my Discord because it's giving me a little bit issue now. If you go back to Quest, you'll be able to see that connect wallet tax and you claim the point. Let it load. I will go ahead and connect the wallet and end the points. Okay, you can see connect claim. I've added it already, so I will just need to claim it now since I've added it already. Now you see the tax is claimed successfully. So that is how you should do it. Make sure you connect wallet and take your time to be doing all the tasks to earn more points. With this, you get a lot of points. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.